Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we got survival backpacks, we got survival kits, we got bug out bags, we got get home bags. It's come full circle. Now we got survival bottles. This is brought to us by Legacy Food Storage. We're going to look at it right now. Alright, so like I said, this water bottle comes to us from Legacy Food Storage, and you can find them at legacyfoodstorage.com. They have a whole lot of emergency food options, a lot of kind of kits, and they got a lot of survival kits, including this thing. And what this is a 1,000 milliliter or 32 ounce water bottle. You can see there it has some cool markings, some metered out markings. And what this is, and I'm going to go ahead and put this out there. You can see there, hopefully if it'll focus, it's made in China. Now the reason I got this was because it's a bottle and it's a survival bottle, so I was curious. But this thing comes in at a price tag of $29.99, so I don't know what to expect. But the bottle does have a little carabiner on the lid, and let's check the lid. No gasket, so there's no gasket on the lid. And it doesn't say, it just says it's a 1 liter Triton bottle. Okay. Don't see anything on here indicating if it's like BPA free or anything like that, so I don't know. And the first thing crammed down into this bottle is a very large Ziploc bag. So we got a very, very large Ziploc bag. And let's see what else we got. Now imagine this is going to be fun getting all this stuff out of this water bottle. Well, let's just see how much of it I can get out. And apparently the matches opened up. Come on, baby. What is that? Something got that thing stuck. Alright, well right off the bat, let's just say getting some of this stuff out of this bottle is not the easiest feat. Whatever this is, it does not want to come out. Alright. This is the last thing. Let's see if I can, there we go. Alright, so everything's out of the bottle. And I will say this, it's just a nice, it's a nice little bottle. I mean, nothing wrong with it. Alright, so we got some matches that went everywhere, so I will put those back into the little container here. And one thing, just to go over the matches here, they say that these are waterproof matches. So they feel like they have some kind of like varnish coating on them or something. Not really sure that's what it is, just kind of what the appearance is. But these it is a branded set of matches, and the box is falling apart. Oh, okay, so that's why the matches are everywhere, because the box is falling apart. Whatever adhesive they used on the box did not hold it together. But it does have a little strike pad there on the side, and it is this emergency zone that's on the bottle. The matches are actually, they have emergency zone kind of like branding, I guess, if you want to call it that. And these are made in China, and it says there's 40 of them in here, so you got 40 matches. And our Ziploc bag right here. We have an emergency reflective blanket that is 52 inches by 84 inches, and it is also from Emergency Zone. So it is also the same brand, and it is just a little like Mylar kind of deal. So yeah. And it does say you can make a kind of like a shelter out of it, which you could. I mean, you could open it up, put it over you, and keep the rain off of you at least. So And we got a safety light stick that says it is 6 inches long, and it is also emergency zone branded, and it says it lasts up to 8 hours. So yeah, just a little light stick, and it's attached to, you know, a little piece of cordage. Okay, well, it's interesting, the contents. It says 1 glow stick, 1 ribbon or string. So I guess you don't really know what you're getting, if you're getting ribbon or string. So, and then we got a flashlight, an LED light that, or is that LED? I'm assuming. It doesn't, it looks like it. It looks like it is. I'm going to say it is. But it actually, they give you some, they actually give you the 3 AAA batteries. They actually were in the bottle, so they give you the batteries. Let's go ahead and put them in there and check it out and see how bright it is. See if it's going to be any good. And I'm pretty sure these batteries are probably not the best, but at least it's something. Yeah, it's really not that bright. I mean, it's not blinding you or anything, but yeah. It's not that bright, but it's a flashlight. You know, if you didn't have anything, it will definitely get the job done. And we have an emergency poncho, and again, it's emergency zone. And they, you know, have it outfitted as weather protection, which it definitely will do. And it says it is 40 inches by 45, and at least on the picture here, it does say that it has a hood, which is very nice. And I think this is the thing that fought me to get out of the package. Yeah, or out of the bottle. And then this ought to be funny. This is a first aid kit that's in this little zippered, like, what is this? What kind of material would this be? Like a nylon type material, I guess. Alright, let's see what's in the first aid kit. Alright, in the first aid kit we got some Q-tips. Or, I'm sorry, cotton buds is what these things are. They're cotton buds. Definitely not Q-tips. Okay, we have some butterfly closures. There's 3 of those, which these are always very handy. Or wait, there's more. I'm sorry. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 butterfly closures, and you can probably see the outline of them there in the pack. These things are really nice. Always welcome having butterfly closures in your first aid kit. And then they give you just a real, they give you 15, it looks like. Yeah, they give you 15 small bandages. And they say they are latex free for all the people out there that have allergies to such things. There's 15 of those. Man, they really come prepared with the regular Band-Aids. This is, I guess this is 10. Okay, so you got 20 regular, I don't know how good you're going to be able to see those, but there's 20 of these regular size bandages, you know. All right. See, that's what I get, man. I was talking smack about this little first aid kit, and look what it's doing to me. It's giving you at least a lot of Band-Aids. And then we have 2 wound pads. 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, non-adherent. Non-adherent. But we have no medical tape. Okay. Bad water bottle. So we got 2 of these non-adherent wound pads, 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Okay, and that's it. That's it for the first aid kit. Then they give us a little utility knife, or a utility multi-tool, kind of like a rendition of like a Swiss Army knife, just kind of supersized a little bit. We have a corkscrew puller. We have a Phillips head screwdriver. We have a little blade, a small blade. What is that? What is this? Apparently we have a lot of overlap here, a lot of the same stuff. Yeah. So we have some small tools up here on this side, just a couple small tools, the screwdriver and stuff like that, and the corkscrew, and then a little blade. And then on the actual frame itself, we have, and I can't pull them out. We have a knife with no lock. So we have a blade. We have a little blade there that doesn't have a lock. And for some reason, we have a saw. So we have a saw. Let's see, what is this? Is this something? Maybe not. No, that is not. Okay. It's just there's so many things in here that kind of overlap. And it looks like a can opener, but for some reason I'm having difficulty pulling it out. Okay. Well, anyway, it's a little like a can opener job. But yeah, it's just a little multi-tool. It doesn't seem like it's, you know, it's of the highest quality, but keep in mind, again, this entire bottle was 29 bucks. So let's just keep our expectations grounded here for $29. And from China. And we have, I've seen these before in a lot of the Wise kits, these kind of multi-tool or multi-purposed whistle. It has a little compartment and has a compass, but this one actually seems to have like a little ferro rod. Check that out in the handle there. It does feel like it's a striking rod. So that's I've never seen that before, so that's kind of interesting. Okay. And there's nothing in the compartment, so if you felt so inclined, you could take your matches. You could stuff your matches in here with some cotton balls and some Vaseline, put them on top. And it does have a little gasket right there. You can see the little gasket. And it does have a little signaling mirror. There you go. Well, I did get it. There you go. So you got a little signaling mirror and a compass. And the compass does show north, so it is correct. Awesome. It's always good. So let's see. What do you guys think so far of this $29 water bottle? Do you think it's worth the money? Do you think it's not worth the money? Do you think it's junk? Or do you think it's maybe worth it? And I don't know what this is. I thought it was a striking rod, but maybe it's not. It still could be, because generally they have a coating on them, and once you get the coating off, and I don't really want to do it here, I just wanted to see if I could maybe get something out of it. So it may be. But yeah, so you got a multi-purpose whistle, container, compass, signaling device on some string. You got the light stick, you got a flashlight, you got a little multi-tool, you got some matches, you got a reflective blanket, you got the poncho, and then you got the little first aid kit that we went through. $29.99 with this little bottle with a little carabiner on it. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I feel like I did not. So, what do you guys think? Do you think this was a flop? Do you think this was, you know, not bad for someone maybe, you know, cruising around the interwebs and going to legacyfoodstorage.com and picking up this water bottle, and being that there is nothing in here that would really suffer very bad from being in the trunk of your car, you definitely could take this water bottle and throw it in your car. And as always, stuff like this can always be enhanced and be of better service to you by adding things to it. The stuff was really compact in here, but you could throw a couple purification tablets in here, not take up a lot of room, And let's see. What else? What else, guys? Let me know. Comment section down below. Do you think this was useful? Do you think this is just, again, some commercialized junk to take advantage of people that are just looking to get some preps? And I will say, having something like this maybe thrown into the back of your car, kind of throw it in there and forget about it, it could possibly come in handy. The only thing you have to worry about is the batteries. They're exploding, and if you wanted to remedy that, just take out these batteries and pop in 3 AAA lithiums, and you should be good to go. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. A ton of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I have new videos go up. And with that being said, I am out of here. See you guys on the next video. Peace.